So here we are having diagram of Linds method. By this diagram I will tell you what is Linds method of liquefaction of gases. Here this is compressor. This is compressor, and from here we add fresh air. After that, this is a refrigerating liquid. Here we are having refrigerating liquid. After that, this is a spiral nozzle. Spiral nozzle. After that, here this is a spiral nozzle, and this is a nozzle. This last one part, this is the nozzle. After that, here when we add fresh air, as I add fresh air here, it goes here. Basically the fresh air, if we talk about the volume, that is 200 atm. Here the volume of compressor is 200 atm. Fresh air. So here when air will go from here and here, it will go in the refrigerating liquid. By passing from refrigerating liquid, the whole molecules, the dust, that will go out in the refrigerating liquid, and the fresh air will be got. After that, when it will go from here when it is passed from this nozzle, when this is passed from this nozzle, and here it will pass from the nozzle, here the volume will be 1 atm. Pressure from nozzle, the pressure will be 1 atm, and from this compressor the pressure was 200 atm. Right, here the pressure will be 1 atm. So in this, when the fresh air will go here, when it will pass from this nozzle, the pressure, that is 1 atm, so the 200 atm air will be converted into from the 1 atm. That, as I discussed before, when a compressed gas, here this is the main point of Linds method, that is when a compressed gas is allowed to expand into a region of low pressure, then it gets cooled. What is mean by here, which is when a compressed gas, as we had compressed gas here, right? So when a compressed gas is allowed to expand, this is expanding here from this nozzle, it is allowed to expand into a region of the low pressure. Here it was a higher pressure, that was a 200 atm, right? When it is allowed to expand in a region of the low pressure, 1 atm is a low pressure, right? When it is expanded into the region of low pressure, then it gets cooled. Which means when it is expand into a region of low pressure, it will get cool, and we will get it in the form of the liquid air. Then we will get liquid air. So that was the Linds method, which means it is moving from the region of higher pressure to the region of the lower pressure. Higher pressure was 2 atm and lower pressure is the 1 atm. After that, if we talk about, so that was all about the Linds method, that of the liquefaction of the gases.